Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today I wanted to show you these silicone ice cube shapes or cases or whatever, because I thought they were pretty cool. So what you're gonna do is you fill up with them with water, make them nice and secure, and throw them in your fridge. And they are coming out. They actually do look like little um, roses, and that is, I think, pretty neat, pretty nice and cool looking. And yeah, definitely check that out yourself. Just fill all it up, and then when it's done, you're ready to use that. And yeah, as I said, pretty cool, pretty nice. And let's see if we can actually get that out there so you can actually have an idea. Make sure everything is going in there, and then that's gonna be it. So yeah, take care you guys, and until the next time, bye bye.